Hi.
Morning everyone. Today we're going, I can't tell you. Ethan doesn't know, do you? Yeah, so we're going to go to this place. I'm going to get breakfast on the way. Ethan's already had breakfast, so he's going to have a second breakfast. So when we get to, there's going to be something waiting for Ethan that he needs to pick up. We've got our tickets ready.
Are we going on the train?
We are going on the train, yeah. But that's not the ticket I mean.
A bus ticket?
Not a bus ticket. All the people in the video know what we're doing now. What? So yeah, we're going to go to, and hopefully it could be the best day of the school holidays.
Yeah, probably.
So our favourite cafe was unfortunately shut, but Tesco's was open.
And they were building.
Yeah, so they've just started a renovation in the cafe. So that'll be cool to see what that's like when it's done. Thank you very much.
Right, that's yours.
Thank you.
Great stuff, right? Have a good day, guys, alright?
Thank you.
Thank you.
No. It's here. That was super fast.
Where are we, Ethan?
On the tube.
Yeah. Where are we going to?
London,
London? Where in London?
South Kensington.
Yeah, well done. Do you know where we're going to go when we get off?
No
The
idea.
next station is South Kensington. This is South Kensington.
Are we going to the actual History Museum?
Maybe.
I think we are. That music was great. I've never heard a thing like that before.
Now walking down between South Kensington Station and the Natural History Museum. I can tell you now because Ethan's guessed. It's a long walk, it's very direct, very straight. Not too stressful. So we paid a bit extra and Ethan's got a bag, a lanyard, and the lanyard is his very important paleontologist card.
Alien.
Say again?
Paleontologist. It's a stegosaurus right over there.
The escalator up there is closed at the moment, so there's zero gravity, so we're going to have to go a different way. We're going to find some stairs or a lift, I think. So that was the escalator up to the Red Zone galleries, which is where we're going to go now.
Oviraptor thing.
We're now in a section that's full of crystals, marbles and lots of stones and stuff I don't understand. I'd love to share some information with you, but I don't know anything. This suit behind me is worn by scientists to go near volcanoes. Look at that. Just been learning about tectonic plates and the movement of the earth and how that causes earthquakes and volcanoes. We're just about to go into a supermarket, not a real one, and experience a simulated earthquake. Are you excited? You having a good time?
Yeah. Saurus.
Sorry?
That's an Ichthyosaurus. This one's an Ichthyosaurus head.
Wow.
Look at this. It's a Mosasaurus. Dinosaur eggs. This is a Pachystegosaurus head. This is an Eminosaurus. This is a Triceratops. Carmiosaurus.
Wow.
I think so.
It's quite big, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
What did you see inside?
Dinosaurs.
Yeah, fossils. What else did we see?
And birds.
Birds. We saw lots of stones, didn't we? And crystals and things that have been made over a lot of time. You have a good time?
Yeah. It's time to head home now. I'm gonna have a strawberry ice cream.
So we had a really good time at the National History Museum, loving the entertainment on the underground. Different person to when we went through last time.
Subscribe and maybe share with your friends. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you soon. Bye.